to my YouTube channel. Everyone, it's me Cindy. I'm back. So in today's video, I will be doing a room tour. Before we start this vlog, sasabihin ko muna sa inyo why I stopped vlogging. So it's been 7 months since my last vlog and now I'm doing it again. Thank you to my friend Dylan Fernandez for pushing me to do a vlog again. Thank you. I love you. So yeah, I stopped vlogging kasi nawalan ako ng gana dito sa amin kasi sobrang hina ng wifi. And pag mag-upload ka ng video sa YouTube, sobrang tagal niya. Kaya nawalan ako ng gana kahit sa Facebook, sa Instagram. Sobrang blur pag ina-upload ko yung mga pictures. So okay, let's start this vlog. Let's start this room tour. So, nandito ako ngayon sa labas ng room ko. I'm gonna show you, ito yung sa pababa. Papunta dun sa living room namin. First, I'm gonna show you our balcony. So, that's our balcony. Mag-insert ako ng video kung anong itsura niya sa umaga. So, and that's my room. Okay, so let's get started. So, pagpasok po ng room, makikita mo yung painting ko that I painted last week and yung vanity table ko and yung plant na hiningi ko sa tita ko, yung plants na hiningi ko din sa cousin ko. So, it's all hingi. And ito yung pinaint ko last week. This is me sa New York Central Park. Yeah. And also this mirror that I bought from Mr. DIY. I love that store kasi hindi siya ganun kamahal. And yeah, this mirror is so cute. Like, look. My vanity table is wala pang mirror because my mirror, I decided to put it there kasi dun siya nababagay. And here, maghahanap ako ng mirror na babagay dito sa wall na to. So here, this is my planner. And there, I have my perfumes and makeups, like my hair thing, makeups, and my jewelries. Maghahanap pa ako ng wala pa akong chair. Maghahanap pa ako ng chair na babagay dito sa table na to or I'll gonna buy a new table. I'm still thinking if bibili ako ng white table kasi I'm planning to buy a white chair. So, mas babagay sila kung same color lang sila. Now, I'm gonna show you my snacks. My side table. So this is my side table. In here I have my perfume, my alcohol, my pictures with my boyfriend. This is our first picture. Noong 2012, nung naging kami, that's our first picture. I have this flower that he gave me nung Valentine's Day. So I put it in there, I dried it up, and then I put it in there. And in here I have this, I don't know what do you call this, like, basta nilagay ko yan to remind myself that I love myself. In here I have my favorite snacks dun sa US noon. Here I have the Smart Food popcorn. I love this drink from Perrier. I love this because it makes you full the whole day. And this is my favorite combo of a snack. That is my side table. And here I have my bed. So that is my bed, guys. I think this is the queen. I think this is the queen size. Yep, that is my bed. So here I have this Monstera that I bought from my cousin. But yeah. Meron lang akong electric fan kasi wala pa akong aircon. I'm still working with that. Kasi pauwi naman na yung kapatid ko and my mom. I'll let them buy my aircon. On the side, so here I have my laundry basket that I bought from Mr. DIY. I really love that that store kasi sobrang cheap. Here I have this plant. Ako yung ako yung naggawa. I also painted this last week sa kasabay ng painting na nasa New York ako. So, yup. Sure. So, from there, here is my favorite outfits and my favorite crop tops, like a long sleeve crop top. So here I have, naalis siya guys. So here I have this top. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang. So here is my favorite top kasi yung yung sheer niya na dito niya, sobrang cute and sobrang ganda. And also I have here my bags and my favorite na kalo na hiningi ko lang din sa auntie ko. Itong cactus na to hiningi ko lang din sa pinsan ko. And here, this is dala ko to nung nasa US ako. So here I have books and my camera. I'm now using my phone kasi tinatamad akong mag-charge ng battery ng camera ko. In here, I have the Zara pagpabango ng kwarto. And this is so mabango guys. It's from Zara. Sobrang bango nito guys. It's from painting. So I bought this Shopee for 300 and you will get 3 of them. I think 4. Yeah. Without the frame. So yeah. So here I have my mirror para sa outfit, and behind that is my bathroom. Let's go inside of my bathroom. So let's go in. So here's my bathroom. I'm now closing the door and now it's echoing na. I love my bathroom because of the echo. I can sing like a real singer. Do you want a do you want a sample? I don't know how to sing. So this is my bathroom. So that is my shower. Mga shampoo ko and sabon. And nandun naman yung where you poop. Yep. And this is my lavatory. Wala pa siyang mirror kasi inaantay ko pa yung mirror ko. So, yeah. So, this is the lavatory. I have this para sa panghugas ng kamay and paglagyan ng toothbrush. And nandun naman yung mga panglinis ko sa bathroom. In here, I'm excited to show you this. So here I have my towels and my aloe vera plant. In here I have my lotion, my sabon, more sabon and more lotion. In here I have my toilet paper, and yep, this is my bathroom. So this side of my bathroom, I'm still thinking kung anong ilalagay ko dito. And I'm thinking to put also a what do you call this? Like yung parang ganito dito para dyan ko na ilagay yung towels. Not there anymore kasi sometimes punong-puno na talaga siya. If you want a giveaway, just comment down below. And may mga LED lights din dito sa room ko. You there, and in here, meron akong timbangan kasi I have to check my timbang every day kasi tumataba na ako, and yeah. Also have my own balcony, but ipapakita ko na lang yan sa inyo bukas kasi takot akong buksan siya. It's in here. Okay, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung balcony ko. So, ito siya. So that is that for my room tour, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, hope you subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.